Hello, my name is Regina. In this video, I will explain the lookup, Vlookup, Xlookup, and Xlookup function in Microsoft Excel. What is the lookup function in Excel? The lookup function in Excel search a value from one row or one column rank. In the example, I will search the student name from the student ID. Export. Click on the lookup function. Lookup underscore values, meaning that the value that you will be searching. Click on student ID, comma, lookup underscore vector, meaning that the data that you wish to search. Select all table, comma, result underscore vector, meaning that the list of the data from which you want to show a values. Select all name, close parenthesis, and press enter. 2025-01. I create a drop-down list in the table of student ID. Click on student ID. Click on data. Click on data validation. Click on list. Click on source. Select all student ID. Click OK. Vlookup function. The Vlookup function in Excel search for the values in a column. In the example, I will search the total mark of the student from the student ID using the Vlookup function. Firstly, I calculate the total mark of the student using the sum function. Equal. Click on the sum function. Select on the mark of the subject, close parenthesis, and press enter. Click and scroll down. Now use the Vlookup function. Equal. Click on the Vlookup function. Lookup underscore values, meaning that the value that you will be searching. Click on student ID, comma, table underscore array, meaning that all the data in the table that you wish to search. Select all table, comma, full underscore index underscore name, meaning that the column number that you will search. I search the column total mark, so insert file, comma, click on file, close parenthesis, and press enter. 2025-02. Create drop-down list. Lookup function. The lookup function search for the values in a row. Equal. Click on the lookup function. Lookup underscore values, meaning that the value to be found in the first row of the table. Click on name, comma, table underscore array, meaning that the table of information in which data is looked up. Select all table, comma, row underscore index underscore num, meaning that a row number that you will search. I search the information of John Mario, so insert 9, comma, click on file, close parenthesis, and press enter. Click scroll right, click center. Lookup function. The Lookup function in Excel is a powerful search tool, allowing you to find particular value from a range of cells. In the example, I will search all the marks of the student using the Lookup function. Firstly, I use the shortcut key Alt plus equal to calculate the total mark. Select all the marks of the student. Press Alt plus equal. Now use the Lookup function. equal, click on the Xlookup function. Lookup underscore values, meaning that the values that you will be searching. Click on student ID, comma, lookup underscore array, meaning that the rank you wish to search. Select all student ID, comma, return underscore array, meaning that the result will display. Select table from student name until total mark. Close parenthesis and click enter. 2025-01. Create drop-down list. Thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you again in my next video.